Alright guys, this is cotton candy vending machine experience. Alright, so let's see, what's our flavors?
Just pick the pattern first, that the shape is going to come out of it.
Oh, okay. Well then, I guess I'll do, alright guys. I guess I'll do heart, 8. I don't know. Or actually, you know what, heart, 7.
No, I'm going to give them my way.
This is where the cotton candy is made, guys. So, let's see how this works. That one came out. Here's the process of making it. I'm showing you guys.
Everything's so fast.
This is how it's being made. It's actually pretty cool, the way it's being made. And apparently, I take this out, of here. Take it out of here. Ooh, cotton candy looks good, man. Can't believe this cost $8, but it's totally worth it, you know, for this cool experience. And I like making videos for you guys, so this is cool and all. It looks yummy. Alright, what's this robot? Okay guys, looks like this is where I take my cotton candy. Oh my god, that's cool. Whoa, this is like something from Japan. So do I just take it now? Is this what I do? Oh, what do I do? Pick up. Okay, thank you guys. Good. Alright guys, well that was the end of the video, so bye-bye.